Hello everyone, welcome back with an interesting video in our channel. Have you tired of using pen drive for making bootable USB drive every time and deleting data from pen drive for creating bootable USB? In this video, we will see how to create Windows bootable drive from our internal hard disk. Before we begin, we must look into Windows bootable partition to have an idea how we can create bootable medium from our internal hard disk. As we all know, this is C partition where window files are stored. To see more details about partition, we need to open disk management tool by typing diskmgmt in command prompt. This will open up disk management tool. From the disk management tool, we able to see that our PC includes system reserved partition and C partition. In the system reserved partition on the down, we can see that there is a word active. Since the system reserved partition is an active one, we are able to boot our Windows operating system. Now we will see how to create bootable USB from internal hard disk. I create new partition with size 5 GB from the free available space. For identifying this partition, I am naming it as bootable medium. This partition will be on NTFS format. We created new partition with size of 5 GB. In my download directory, I am having OS file. I am going to open this file with WinRAR and we will extract this to the bootable medium partition. The newly created bootable medium partition now it's having extracted OS files. We need to make this bootable medium partition as an active one in order to boot our PC from Windows installation file. Open up command prompt and type diskpart. This will open the diskpart utility. In the diskpart, type list disk. This will list out all the attached disks in our PC. The disk 0 indicates this is our internal hard disk. Type select disk space 0. This will select the disk 0. To see the available partition in the disk, type list space part or partition. In the partition 1, we have our 350 MB system reserved partition. And the partition 2 is our C partition, and the third partition is bootable medium partition. We need to make this partition as an active one. So select part 3. This command will select the partition 3. Now type active. This command will make the partition 3 as an active one. You can see that it shows diskpart marked the current partition as active. To make sure, open disk management. Now under the bootable medium partition, we have the word active, and in the system reserved partition, the word active has gone. Now we have changed the active partition. Reboot the system. We'll see what's going to happen. There are no USB pen drive attached to our PC. The Windows 7 installation is booting from the partition bootable medium inside the internal hard disk. In case we want to boot back into Windows 7 operating system and cancel the installation medium, from this installation screen, press Shift plus F10 for open the command prompt, type diskpart again. In the diskpart utility, type list disk. Select the disk 0. List the partition. Select the system reserved partition, which is our partition 1. Now we have selected the partition 1. Now type active. Now the active partition has changed from third partition to the first partition again. In this way, by changing active partition to one partition to another partition, we can boot back into installation medium and Windows operating system. This method is for making bootable USB internally for BIOS firmware supported PC. In UEFI firmware supported PC, the method will little different. In our upcoming video, we will see how to achieve the same thing in UEFI supported PC. I hope you enjoyed this video. We will meet with another interesting and useful video in our channel.